This is my 2008 VW Golf. It's a 1.9 TDI and it gets me from A to B. There's a few scratches and it does need a clean, but this is the car I drive on a daily basis. Be thinking, why do I drive a 1.9 litre TDI engine VW Golf? Well, technically it is not my car, it's my missus' car. I'm just insured to drive it, but she's got a company car, so I drive this bad boy. And I've just come back from a 250-mile journey to the Cotswolds, and I found one of my favourite roads in the country. So, why do I love this car so much? Well, it's spacious, it's got enough room for anything you could ever want. I fit 2 snowboards in this car. They came to about here, but even still. Why do I love it so much? This is my first car, and over the last 2 years I've had loads of issues with getting my licence. I'm 24 and it's been a nightmare. I developed epilepsy 2 years ago. I now have a driving license, I drive, I've just done a big road trip, and this is the car that got me there. I'll always have a special attachment to this car, but maybe I'll have a special attachment to other cars. And that is what this channel is about. Sold as Seen is a channel that is meant to be buying cheap old cars and taking them on their final road trip. I know this is what other big channels like Auto Alex, Top Dead Centre, All the Gear do. However, this is going to be a little bit different. There will be motorbikes, and I want to do something with this car, apart from just give it a clean. You tell me what you want me to do. But currently we're in my favourite Outlook. Should we go for a drive? Why have I got a warning light on? Is that tyre pressure? Let me find somewhere to pull in. I think I've got a tyre pressure light. That's not ideal. Oh dear Lord, I think it's a tyre pressure light, and I think I know which tyre it is. Of course this happens today when I decide to film. Lights up, 1 or more driving lights burned out. Oh, so it's just my lights. So then which light is that? I'm sure I'll be fine for now. I mean, you lot in the comments can tell me if I'm making a mistake. For now, I'm just not going to worry about it. I'm going to continue with my journey. I've got an hour, I've got 27 miles. I'll see you out in the peaks. So as we drive into Bakewell, we are currently on the 50 road between Bakewell and Matlock. We've got 39 minutes to go to where I'm trying to go. I don't know how busy it's going to be today. It's a weekday, it's a Tuesday, but it is school holidays. We will see. It's saying Bakewell's pretty busy. I know All the Gear in their last video, they came through Bakewell and out in the peaks, and they really enjoyed the roads in the peaks, the views. So, you know, this is my home essentially. I need to be careful because my camera's in the footwell of the passenger seat. 175, that's the cheapest I've seen diesel for a while. Down in the Cotswolds it was 189. I thought you can do one. Oh, you fucker. I stalled. I've not done that for a while. I thought I was in first gear. I must have accidentally been in third. Let's say hello to this rider. No hello back. Just think it's rude. We like bikes on this channel. So Sold as Seen, the name comes from how everyone in, like on Facebook posts, like Facebook Marketplace, they'll say Sold as Seen. And I just thought that was a brilliant name for a channel. I am in first. That is an old car being driven by a young woman. I love to see that. I just love seeing old cars still on the road. I saw a Rover 600 on my drive back yesterday. I saw an MR2 on Friday when I was driving down to the Cotswolds, and I'm seeing everyone doing 30 miles an hour in a 50. Yeah, when you get a gear change right in this car and it does a little like turbo whistle, it just makes life good. Oh, potholes, 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 potholes. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. I've not actually driven this road on my own yet, so we'll see how it goes. This car's come flying around this corner. It's another Golf. It's a more updated Golf. I know it's a 60 going up here, but fuck me, I wouldn't want to fly up here at 60. I do like these Peak District roads. I mean, they came along this road because I remember it in a video, and then they went over to Winnets Pass, I think, and did a bit of camping in all the gear. There's a few roads that I need to take. I'm only about half an hour away from where I'm actually going, and it's a car park I found on Photospot. So we'll see how it is. I've never actually been up there. I don't know what it's like. There's a lovely view that I'm just driving past. It's one of my favourite views in the peaks. Right, we're nearly there. There is a lot of tourists about today, so potentially there'll be a lot of tourists about at the spot, but we'll see. I'm just really doing some scouting. Yeah, saying to follow it up here. I think we get to a car park. That's a nice Mini Cooper S. This is what I love about cars, like you can just go and explore and find somewhere. If you don't know, if you want to scout somewhere out, you can do that. Honda Civic Type S, I think it was an S, or it might be RS. Oh, that's a lovely Beamer. Oh, it's here. Let me see if I can get his attention.
You're at the right time.
Yeah. I do videography. So I don't know how much I caught on the end of that. The audio might be a bit iffy here. But basically, met Dom. He's just driven off. I'm about to drive home, and I'll see you guys when I get back. And I'm going to probably start editing this video so that it goes out later in the week. If you've enjoyed the first video on Sold as Seen, then I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. And drop a subscribe. Comment anything down below. If you know anything about the lights on the VW, let me know if I should have been driving or not, and I'll see you guys in a bit.